It's your pre-market summary for September 8th, 2022. The futures are pretty much unchanged as we speak. Looking at the big board here, the S&P 500 just barely over flat. The Nasdaq slightly down. This is following a monster move to the upside yesterday. Bitcoin and Ethereum also holding pretty stable as well. Chairman Powell is going to be speaking at a virtual conference this morning, and an ECB rate decision is going to be out just before we come on for our live show. Markets coming off a huge rally. S&P gained 1.8% yesterday. The Nasdaq was up 2.1%, snapping a 7-day losing streak. Pretty impressive. All three of the major indices were their highest in just about 1 month. So an impressive rally, and some names to talk about this morning. Yeah, we're going to be talking some GameStop. It wasn't so much about the earnings because they lost a little bit more than expected and in a wider loss over last year, but they announced a partnership with crypto marketplace FTX. So GameStop shares trading to the upside in early trade. Moving on over to Tesla, they got in their delivery numbers from China, tripling deliveries made in China. So Tesla is trading slightly higher. This coming off the heels of a rally in shares of NIO after they had disappointing earnings. Those shares will be worth watching here as well again today. It's not all roses for American Eagle. They're down sharply this morning after they disappoint, inflation hitting them pretty hard, and a poor guide on their part. Trying to make a little bit of a bounce. They have a 15% short interest, worth a watch there. The Apple event, I don't want to say it was a bit of a nothing burger. It was great for GSAT because they announced a partnership there. One of the key things was their pricing strategy. No increase on the iPhone in the US, but if you're not in the US, a lot of the Asian countries are going to be looking at a price increase there. Apple also introducing a new watch and the iPhone 14. They're going to be on watch once again. Asana absolutely crushed it. Up actually, forget about 18% when this came out, up over 20% as they beat top and bottom. Strong move for them. Several upgrades, too many to count there, as Asana is going to be on watch for us here today. As always, before we come on live at about 8:30, make sure you join us. Grab that QR code. Get our free watch list every single day. Should be another wild trading day in the markets.